Friends, have you ever wondered how to do these things, do these things, do these things? Don't know. Have you ever wondered some tips and tricks in mobiles or phones or this thing or this thing? Have you ever seen top 5 10 things or top 5 mobiles or things or have you ever seen any smart TikToks? Have you ever seen? No? Yes. Friends, don't worry. I will Santosh Smart Tech. Okay? To combining all these things and joining together for Smart Tech. And Smart Tech family is going to go bigger and bigger. For that, press the subscribe button and turn on the notifications on to get the instant updates. Okay?